I am gonna attempt to remove these ghosted letters. I guess that's what it's called online. I just bought this truck, so I'm the second owner, and it's 1996 Kenworth. So that makes it 24 years old, and I'm gonna guess that these letters have been on there for that long. So I've not seen anything this bad on YouTube, so I'm gonna attempt to try to get rid of them. Now keep in mind, I'm not gonna make it perfect, because eventually probably next year I'd like to paint the truck, or next year after that, 2 years somewhere down the road I want to paint the truck, maybe in different color or something. But for right now I want to get rid of this. So what I found to work pretty well is I have this. It's a headlight lens restorer. You can get this at any auto parts store or Amazon. And what I found to work pretty well is you use this it's the medium sandpaper. I think it's 800 grit, but it also comes with some heavier duty stuff that's like 236, but I'm afraid that I'm gonna wear right through the paint. So I use this, and then I use the 3000 grit sandpaper, and this is all wet sanded. So I have a bucket of water and I dunk it every few times to keep it wet. And then what I do is I use this is what's for the headlight restore pad. You put the pad on, and then I've got this stuff, mirror glaze, and this is the swirl remover. That's a 3 out of 10 cut. So this is just to polish it. So I'm gonna set you guys up so you can watch me do this, and we'll do a before and after, and you know, maybe it'll be a good difference. So I'll set you up and see what you think. So I wanted to bring you up on a close-up just on the sandpaper, and already you can really tell a difference. Of course you can see different coloring because I haven't polished it yet, but right away it's quite a bit harder to see Weyerhaeuser. But I will keep going and see what happens. Okay, so that's as good as I'm gonna probably get it. I'm gonna probably put my own label there, but it's really hard to see. I don't know. I'll have to see it in the editing of this video if you can still make out the triangle and Weyerhaeuser and US DOT number. But you know, from back here it's pretty good. So I hope this helps someone, and yeah, if you're interested, those things are in the link in the description below the video. And if you got any questions, please comment, smash that like button, and please subscribe for more awesome videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video.